Your first competitor tonight. This truck has been 65 million years in the making. It's 12,000 pounds of dyno destruction. The driver is only 16 years old. A superstar in the making. Let's give it up for Missouri's own Tim Jones and Smashosaurus. Next up, it's even more dino destruction. This truck is modeled after one of the most lethal dinosaurs ever to walk the earth. The driver comes to us out of Las Vegas, Nevada. He was last night's racing champion. Let's put our hands together and make some noise for Devin, Winfield, and Velociraptor. Your next competitor, man, it's like Jurassic World meets the stomping grounds. This is the OG 3D dinosaur monster truck. The driver comes to us out of Rockport, Texas. Put your hands together. Let's hear your roar for Bardin in Jurassic Attack. Your next truck, always ready for battle. It's the 2025 Monsters on the Beach champion, Jared Smith, Lamar, Missouri. This is Maximus. Next up in the lineup, this one's for all you old school truck fans. It's a 1950 Chevy Fleet Side, and it's the 2020 Toughest Monster Truck Tour Champion out of Clinton, Utah. Let's hear you get loud for Michael Christensen in Vendetta. And next up, it is your current, defending, and two-time Toughest Monster Truck Tour Champion team. It is the legendary Flying Dump Truck. Last night, he was the Freestyle winner all the way out of state Oregon. Let's hear it for David Olfert and Dirt Crew. Trucks coming out right now. It's a reptile showdown right there in the center of the track. This next truck, the driver, the 2022 Toughest Monster Truck Tour Champion out of Knoxville, Tennessee. He was a former Division I football player turned monster truck driver, and this is the debut of this brand new truck. The first time anyone in the world has seen it right here in Lamar, Missouri. It's outfitted with 66-inch Terrapin tires. It's a 12,000-pound assault turtle. Let's hear you make some noise and welcome Dalton Widner in Shell Shock. And your final competitor, the 2023 Toughest Monster Truck Tour Champion, coming to us out of the swamps of Central Missouri. This driver's a one-man highlight reel out of St. James. Let's put our hands together and make some noise for Tim Jones, the Tailgator. Two chances to try to do something crazy. Here comes number one. Look at this, popping it up on the front tires. The Velociraptor doing a handstand. What do you think, fans? Give it up for Winfield. tire stack, walking it across the cars. Put your hands together one more time for Devin Winfield, the Velociraptor. All right, fans, looks like he's going for something different. He's going to try to loft it in the air, catch a bounce, and then he's going to try to walk it on the rear tires down the track. Get your cameras ready. Let's see if we can get a wheelie all the way out to the field. Here comes Get the traction on Shell Shock as he was going for the front wheelie. Still let's see what he can do on attempt number 2. Alright, fans, he is lining up for something pretty cool. Get your cameras ready for this one. He's going to use the backflip ramp and try to put it up on the nose of the turtle. Let's see what he can do. Very technical maneuver right here. Gonna try to sit it up on the front tires and walk it. Wait for Lamar, make some noise, cheer it on. Moving the rear tires back and forth, hands off the steering wheel, walking the turtle, make some noise for Dalton. Saturday night in Lamar, Missouri. Nice sky to kick it off. He's going to have to really step it up here on attempt number 2 if he wants to take the lead. Walking it on 2 tires. Let's hear it for Olfert and Dirt Crew. Kicking it off and popping it out of the front tires for tip number 1. Young man, only 16 years old. Big driver early less than a year. His career off to a great start. And tip number 2, going for the bicycle. Got a little out of shape, but a nice effort. fans, check this out. He is going to line up, try to put this thing up on the front canvas. There it is. Let's see if he can touch the horn to the ground. Walking it backward. How about it? Put Jurassic attack. Was going for a better stop. Wasn't quite as good as the first one. But he comes by, makes some noise for Jurassic attack. In Vendetta. There's the split wheelie. Right out the wheelie. Disappearing in a cloud of dust. Cyclones, the Vendetta. Fans, give it up. The first time we see some dusty donuts tonight. Michael Christensen. Straight out in front of you. Clap your hands up and down. The Gator John. And make some noise. Tim Jones, the Tailgator. Let's see what this is. Look at the wheelie. He's walking it down the ramp. Bonus attempt coming from Tim Jones and Tailgator, Lamar, Missouri. This is just for you. Let's see what he can do. Tim Jones and Tailgator really walking that side. But couldn't quite get the game in the backs. All right, fans. All right, fans. First attempt. We're going for a slap wheelie again. Let's see if he can ride it down the track. Here comes Maximus. Walking wheelie up. Blow it up. Strong effort. Here you see him coming from the center one more time. To the finish line. And that's the race for as he comes by the grandstand. Trucks are staged. They'll look for green. Dalton Widner is shell-shocked this morning. The former Tour champion is on his way to the Final Four. Now they'll look for green. Christensen and Vendetta moving on to the next round. Vendetta already trucks are staged. Now they look for green. Are staged. It's the finals coming at you, looking for green. There he is, fans. Truck's off. He can hear you. Make some noise for your first round Monster Truck champion. It's Michael Christensen and Vendetta. What an incredible night of racing. Congratulations to the toughest monster truck crew on a great course. Gabe, take it away with our winner.
Your racing winner, Michael Christensen and Vendetta. Mike, you come out here, best trick against a stacked field on a crazy course. You took home that win, and now you got racing. It's got to feel great to go back to back.
Man, I didn't even know I won the best trick or skills or whatever it was. Kind of pulled a jack move on my teammate Dalton. Once I got back after the semifinals, I parked right in front of him so I could actually choose my lane. But all in all, I love Dalton to death. Probably one of the best employees I've ever had. It's an honor to come out here, share the battlefield with him, with the other two of my drivers, Devin and Alex. It's a privilege to come back here each and every year to put on the best show possible for all of you Lamar, Missouri fans, right here at the Stomping Grounds.
Your racing winner, Michael Christensen, Vendetta.
Lamar, Missouri, what an incredible night it has been already. But right now, it is time for a short break while we allow these monster truck drivers. First competitor rolling to the track. Welcome to Velociraptor. Velociraptor still struggling, having some engine problems on that truck, and that's all the life it's got left in it. Come on, fans, get her pumped up, wave those chicken flags, cheer. The louder you get, the bigger they go. Comes the turtle. This is all score to beat is a 5 by Velociraptor. Here comes the scores for Shell Shock. It's going to be a 10, an 8, a 6, and a 3. 27 points. Big score. There, he's out of the truck. Dalton Widner in Shell Shock. Missouri, here we go. He's lining up that first jump. He wants to hear you dance. Let's hear it for Smashosaurus. Get it locked up for freestyle. Time starts on the first jump. 2 minutes. Smashosaurus. Smashosaurus right as time ends. Fans go crazy. Tim Jones, Smashosaurus. Get ready to pull it back over. Put on a show on a Saturday night. This goes. He's into the final 30 seconds, stringing together quite the freestyle run. Looking for a big finish here for Vendetta. From the judges, it's a 10 out of 10. He fills the time. From Tailgator. Tailgator's going for the stomping grounds. Fans, get what do you think of the Tailgator? Unbelievable! Fans, we've still got 2 more trucks left to run. He's out of the track. Let's hear it. Tim Jones, the Tailgator. Jones and Tailgator absolutely going off in front of his home state fans. Trucks back over. Fans, we are not done yet. the track and a 7 out of 10 wow factor. 31 points. Fans, we got a tie for the freestyle win. Dirt Crew and Tailgator, both at 31 points. And fans, totaling up the points with a huge score of 70 points. Tonight's overall toughest monster truck is Michael Christensen in Vendetta. Vendetta is your toughest monster truck with a score of 70. All right, fans, we're gonna need your help here. Stick around for our winner interviews. But first, we've gotta pick a freestyle winner. We've got 2 scores of 31, Tailgator and Dirt Crew. So fans, we're gonna ask you to make noise in the order that they came out. Cheer loudest for who you think should win. First up, how many of you think our freestyle winner should be Tailgator? The winner should be Dirt Crew. Gabe, you're up front there. What do you think? Who got our freestyle win?
I think Too Tall. Dirt Crew took the win. Your freestyle winner is David Olfert. Man, you have had one heck of the weekend here at the Stomping Grounds. You come out last night, do that crazy save, and tonight proceed a bunch of awesome technical moves. What a way to go out with the weekend.
Absolutely, you know, there's nothing like the Stomping Grounds here to come out and put on a show for you guys Saturday night. But this guy right here, in my book, he got me jacked up and pumped up in the truck. I'm gonna give this one to him because in my book he won with that crazy wow factor moment. He did the thing I didn't want to do and he pulled it out. This guy right here helped me out a lot. I want you guys to make noise for your home state guy, Tim Jones at Tailgator.
Tim Jones. Lamar, Missouri, one more time for your freestyle winner, David Olfert. TJ, both of you had a heck of the run. I mean, it was down to the T. You had the backflip, lost front wheel drive after that crazy save on the buses. Man, you two really put it to the ground.
You know what? I had to sit there and watch my son run, and he done a heck of a job for you guys. But to come out and run for you guys, I mean, it's great. You guys are always here cheering us on late at night. I mean, you're standing in line at that autograph line. I mean, you guys support us. To come out here and do that, you know, that jump sat there all day yesterday. Everybody was scared of it. Nobody wanted to try it. And you know what? I ended up out there in front of it, and I was like, what the heck? I mean, the worst thing I can do is crash, and I used to do that all the time. You know, I didn't know I lost a rear end or front end. I don't know what it was, but my next hit was planning on was the backflip. So it didn't come out, so me and Tripp both ended up upside down on the ground. But as long as you guys leave happy, that's all we care about tonight.
Tim Jones and Tailgator. And now, your toughest team of the night, Michael Christensen, Vendetta. Mike, you know, you had a slower night last night, but you really find a way to redeem yourself, taking home best trick, and you know, also the racing competition.
Yeah, you know, it's always fun to come back every year to Lamar, whether it's my own team or send one of my other 4 teams out here. But I can't thank your family enough. And you personally for having this dream, for having this vision of building such a badass facility, to have us come out here, guys like us, guys like Tim Jones, Gerald Beck, sending out all his crew for us to put on the biggest, the baddest, the best show possible right here in Lamar, Missouri with the best company, toughest tour. So thank you guys. Come back next year. It's going to be bigger, badder, wilder, crazier than ever, and who knows, maybe I'll send all 8 of my trucks.
Michael Christensen and Vendetta.
Well, fans, what an incredible night here at the Stomping Grounds until every fan who wants one has a chance to get one. So head up there, jump in line, and meet your monster truck drivers. Make sure you got a t-shirt, checkered flag, pin it, toy truck, something to get autographed by the drivers here after the show. So stick around, have some fun with us. When you do leave, have a safe trip home, and we'll see you back here